We're in the Windsor Depot Museum, and it's pretty nice. Original depot that apparently was not originally in this location. There's all kinds of neat stuff to see. This is something I wasn't familiar with. It's a wooden loop that's used to hand off messages as the train passes through. It's kind of interesting. The station agent would pass off a message to the crew. Kind of neat. Lots of history, local history. Walk back here. So they have a stove. Various displays of train paraphernalia. There was the station in original condition back in the day, and it was moved here not too far from the original location and restored. The graffiti on the walls is original, believe it or not. I think there's a few items maybe from later years, but most of it is original. It's kind of cool. I've got creaky shoes on today. This is the third safe they had because the other two were blown up by robbers, if you can believe that. Pretty neat.